Hi friends, hi everyone. This is Sunil Kamath, Chief Business Officer for ShareChat, and today I'm going to talk to you a bit about what ShareChat does, what is the product, and why you guys should download the app after you hear me. ShareChat is India's fastest growing social media platform in non-regional languages. We have more than 15 languages today on the ShareChat app, and 60 million users every month are using ShareChat. Today I am here in Chandigarh to talk about ShareChat in Punjabi and what has been the growth of the market for us in Punjab. And I will run you through a few features of the product as well, just to show you how ShareChat works. Let me show you the product first. So this is the ShareChat app, and this is the screen, the default screen you will see when you are opening ShareChat in Punjabi. And this is all user generated content where we have more than 2.5 million users in Punjab every month who are actually using both from a creation and from a consumption area of content on ShareChat. We have also an option to explore the product where you can click on the explore button and you can go into a particular category basis your interest of that category. So let me see what I can show you today. So I've got something on movies. So I'm showing you something in the movies category now. Yeah. Now you will see people are posting songs regarding a particular movie and others are consuming that song. If I like some piece of content over here, I can press the WhatsApp sharing button. It opens up WhatsApp immediately. I can send this to a friend of mine and they will get this content from ShareChat via WhatsApp. And this particular feature has happened more than 500 million times in Punjab in the whole of 2019. It's one of the most used features for sharing. Coming back to ShareChat, I can actually open the camera if I am a micro influencer where I create content, and I can now actually start creating content. So I'm just taking a screenshot of the trends in Punjab. I have the screenshot now with me. I can actually post this content now on ShareChat by entering a hashtag. So I can choose a hashtag. Let's say I choose I would say Mera photograph. I will do a post. The content has got now onto the ShareChat platform. This is my profile on the platform. I'm coming back to the home screen. I can switch to multiple tabs on the product. If I want to watch only videos, I can click a video. I can start watching it. There's a video that somebody has posted of a friend's marriage that's happened in Punjab. I can switch. I can watch some other piece of content. I can switch. I can again watch videos. This is the most used feature in the product where people spend more than 23 to 24 minutes every day watching these videos, short format. So if you're a micro influencer and you want to really reach out to the 2.5 million active users every month in the Punjabi language on ShareChat, you should press the plus button, open the camera, and you can actually either click a picture, you can actually modify the image quality of the picture, you can actually add a filter like ShareChat News. You could actually also do a dub smash over a song. You can see a couple of songs that are being shown now in Punjabi. Or you can even reverse the camera.
Which other apps it can amalgamate with?
So ShareChat actually is an independent app where you can create content. You can post the content on ShareChat, or you can even choose to post across other platforms.
TikTok also.
I won't name a platform.
Okay, I mean,
Across
you
platforms.
can always do it
Across social media.
across social media. So what other benefits a user gets? Why should they, I mean, because like there are too many apps in the
Yeah,
phone these
sure,
days actually.
sure.
So it always says runs out of the space.
Yeah, I agree. I think if you look at the audiences that ShareChat addresses today, they are largely Punjabi speaking users who want to be on the internet in their own language, and that is where ShareChat really works a lot. We are not going after an English user who also speaks Punjabi.
Can we also type in Punjabi on the videos?
You can. It's a function of your keyboard.
Is the
It's not a function of the app.
Okay, not a creative text like just I can see share chat news.
Yeah, this you can create. So, for example, I can just
These are
move this
stickers.
anywhere. Just sticker, right? It's a filter basically that runs on top.
But there was a video you were showing.
Yeah.
That one. I mean,
Oh, the
go to
one,
the
this one?
videos. Second one. Yeah.
Yeah.
So
This is what a user creates,
users
and
create
that can be entered in Punjabi in the creation tool itself.
creation tool, you can type it like
Yes,
that. Type
and that's how you make this
just
video.
with type right
Yeah.
kind of stuff.
Yeah.
Right. So any other thing you want to share it with the users? Why should they have it on the phones?
I would say if you want to be a social media user in Punjabi language, you want to get hyper local content, real time updates of what's happening in your area or in your language. ShareChat should be your preferred social network.
What other languages ShareChat is available on? Is
So
it
we
only
are
Punjabi?
available in 15 languages, non-English. So which is, if I go down south, is Tamil, Telugu, Malayalam, Kannada. In the west, we have Gujarati, Rajasthani, and Marathi. In the east, we have Odia, Bengali, Assamese, and Bhojpuri. In the north and central India, we have Hindi, we have Punjabi, and Haryanvi as a dialect. And then we have Urdu on top of all these languages. So that covers 15
There is
languages.
one thing I would like to ask for other users' perspective that when we use an app and we close it, it runs at the back.
Yeah,
It's a lot of memory.
yeah.
ShareChat.
So I would say that we are an Indian startup. We understand our audiences. They have their phones are typically in the 8,000 to 12,000 rupee range. So it's not really a low end phone. People have smartphones, and we all have users on smartphones today. From that perspective, this is not a very big concern. But at the same time, we also want to optimize the storage on the device. We don't want people to get affected by the storage of ShareChat, for which we optimize all the content that comes in the platform. We compress that content as much as we can before they have it on the device.
So emoticons, you have.
If I'm on this video and I want to make a comment, so when I make a comment, it shows all the options over here of emoticons. I can also type, and I can change my keyboard. If I'm on a Google keyboard, I can actually change my language. It's not a function within the product, it's a function of your keyboard app.
Alright.
But then I can put various kind of emoticons here, which are made available to users. I can go into GIF, I can put GIFs.
Can you create it also?
You can create emoticons as well, but that is part of the creation framework. Alright. That is something which is not coming through the app to the user.
So the user becomes the creator also.
Because a micro influencer.
Marketing.
Yeah.
Okay. So it's quite useful and quite impressive too.
Yeah.
So we wish you luck.
Thank you very much.
And any message going for the users and the youth?
No, I think
It's a
my
user-oriented,
yeah. So my only message would be, if you want to reach out to Punjabi speaking users on a social network, and you want to become famous, popular, and want to attract brands to come and work with you directly, ShareChat should be a preferred social network for you users. Download the ShareChat app from the Google Play Store or the Apple Store, and enjoy social media in your own language. Thank you very much.